Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to unlock the full potential of your Android device? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some of the best Kernel Manager apps that can help you customize and optimize your device's performance. These apps let you tweak settings to enhance speed, battery life, and overall efficiency. Let's explore how you can take control of your Android experience. Franco Kernel Manager. Franco Kernel Manager is a popular application designed for users who want to take full control over their device's kernel settings. This app is specifically tailored for devices running the Franco kernel, which is known for its performance and battery life optimizations. With Franco Kernel Manager, users can easily add just CPU and GPU frequencies, manage thermal profiles, and tweak various kernel settings to enhance device performance and efficiency. The app features an intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it accessible for both beginners and advanced users. Additionally, it offers a variety of pre-configured profiles to help users optimize their devices based on their usage patterns, whether for gaming, everyday tasks, or battery saving. With regular updates, Franco Kernel Manager continues to evolve, offering new features and improvements. EX Kernel Manager. EX Kernel Manager is another powerful kernel management tool that allows users to customize and optimize their Android devices with ease. This app is compatible with various custom kernels, providing a wide range of options to tweak CPU and GPU settings, adjust voltage levels, and manage I/O schedulers. EX Kernel Manager comes with a clean and organized interface, making it easy for users to navigate between different settings. A standout feature is its ability to create and restore backup configurations, enabling users to experiment with different settings without the fear of losing their optimal setup. The app also includes features such as thermal and battery charging controls, along with detailed logging to help users monitor their device's performance. EX Kernel Manager is perfect for those who want to push the limits of their device's capabilities while ensuring stability and efficiency. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best Kernel Manager apps helps you get the most out of your device. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and app recommendations. Which Kernel Manager are you excited to try out? Share your thoughts in the comments below.